Sometimes on my face you'll see how I feel inside of me.
And a smile means happy.
A frown means sad. A gritting teeth means I'm mad.
When I'm proud, I want to fly.
When I am curious, I want to know. What is that?
When I am patient, I want to go. When I am bored, I want to play. Hello. When I am happy, I smile all day. Okay.
Sometimes I feel happy.
Sometimes I feel sad.
Sometimes I feel curious.
Sometimes I feel mad. Again.
Sometimes I feel silly.
Sometimes I feel surprised.
How many feelings
Do I have inside?